Thank you for showing up at our APAC Community Online Conference. So let me introduce myself. So my name is Adityo Setyonugroho. I'm a software and cloud engineer. I'm doing mixed reality, cloud, and also artificial intelligence. I'm currently working in Dattabot and also doing the mixed reality things with Hologram Indonesia. And I'm also in mixed reality community in Indonesia. We are part of the founders of the community here, and you can see our uh, community at meetup.com, and you can reach me at my Twitter and LinkedIn. I'm ready to reply any message that you have, any question that you have from those platforms. Okay, next. Uh, Welcome to the new reality, everyone. This is the uh, new technology that I will present today, the mixed reality things. And before we go deeper into the top level application and also some little bit of developer things, I would like to introduce you one more uh, time. If you haven't seen it, this is the latest technology and also the latest iteration of the mixed reality devices that currently available for everyone to use it. So here we go. So this is the new device that uh, released last year, announced last year, and currently used by the many industries around the world to help their businesses and also their daily productivities. So what we can see here is the videos from the HoloLens 2, the second iteration of HoloLens, and this is the fourth or the fifth iteration of the Kinect, if you know from earlier years. So as we can see here, this is the device, the capabilities of bring you the mixed reality capabilities here, that you can interact with the holograms and also the holograms can interact with your environment too. And I will tell you a little bit about the mixed reality, the big picture of it, the difference between the virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality after this video. So what I want to show you here is this the overview of what mixed reality can bring to you and what you can do and what you can build with it. So this is the HoloLens 2 video, and you can see more example on YouTube or Microsoft site, and you can learn everything from there. So next, this is my slide, little slide that I usually use to explain a little bit about the differences of the mixed reality, virtual reality, and augmented reality. So we have the continuum of the XR here. So let me start briefly with virtual reality, where this is the technology where the technology brings you into the virtual environment where you use the devices and bring you as a user into the virtual environment that you can interact into any hologram there, and you usually interact with the device or tools or other sensor that you have around you. And there's an augmented reality where you bring the hologram into the real world application. So this is like what you play like Pokemon Go and Minecraft, Earth, and other application like that. So you bring the hologram into the real world. So overlay the hologram into your real environment. So the next is the mixed reality where you this is the best combination of those world where you can bring your environment and your the digital content into the same space and the same interaction where uh, you can use your hologram to interact with environment around you, something like that. And this is a little bit explanation, just to offer a few things, and you can learn more, deeper, and so much documentation and so much blog that you can see, and you can also watch amazing videos from some creators that will bring you more experienced view of the mixed reality itself. So I want to talk to you a little bit about the top level application of the mixed reality that you can use in your industries right now. So it is combining between the mixed reality with the Dynamics 365 application that you can use directly. So we have three applications here. There's Microsoft Dynamic Gaps, Remote Assist, and Dynamics Layout. And there's another one, product visualization, that you can also see later on the Dynamics side on the mixed reality features. So how mixed reality with Dynamics 365 can help you? The first one, the guides can help you to understand. The mixed reality can help you to learn about your stuff, your works more interactive and more immersive by using the holographic, that you can learn directly into the device that you want to learn and the situation that you want to learn. You feel the experience directly around your world. Next, we have a mixed reality that connect you to the expert. If you need to help, if you want to collaborate with others to problem solving that you have currently, you can collaborate more immersive, and you can do it more efficient and productive. And the next one is visualize your workspace, that this product is the layout that you want to use it to plan your environment, your workspace to be used, how it would look before you really plan to build it, or you put something on it, something like that. And more things you can do with this application. This is just the general overview of it. And next, I will go to one of the application that we have in Dynamics 365 right now, is Microsoft 365 Guides. So what guides can do for you? This is the hands-on learning that you can directly use on the real situation, where you can view the instruction or holographic tutorials directly into your environment. And you can use the holographic manual that you can build on your PC and then push it into the cloud, that everyone on the side or the class can use it directly using the mixed reality and guides application. And this is fully customized, that you can bring your own 3D models and your own custom manuals into the application. You can build it as immersive, as interactive as you want. So this is one of the example of how guides use on the training in one of the industries, that you can see her following the steps and following the holographic tutorial that she can use to learn more faster and more efficient on how get this thing done. So as you can see, after this, this is not only the platform that you can deliver our lessons, take a lesson from it, that you can also see the visualize of how you do things. So there's a graphic, the status, how you finish your job, something like that, how you can be better on the future, something like that. And the next one, I would like to give you another overview of Dynamics 365 application. This is the remote access application. So what this application can be used. So you can collaborate with others, with experts, with your colleagues on the remote area or somewhere else to solve your problems more efficient and more faster. And you can share any information that you have in your field or someone else at the office or other place that you need some file from them. You can directly get them the image, the PDF, or voice, or some graphical things that you can see holographically. And also it connect to other services that you can use, like field services on 365 to give more feature on your experience on the remote assist experience. And this is some example of how remote access be used. So this woman has a problem on the field on fixing the machinery, the electricity things. So she called the expert and asking for help and looking for the file that she can see the holographic files directly beside her, and she can fix hands-on directly without interrupting to use the laptops, to open laptops again, to search something like that. And you can directly talk with the expert, and you can see the holographic drawing that's sent by your expert, and you can draw by yourself and asking, what is this? And the expert will tell you what will you do with this and what really is this. And you can see the some other feature that you can see here, that you can connected into the other platform like Power BI to see the performance of your services on the problem solving on the device or electricity that you have problem earlier. So, and the next one, I want to give you some overview, another overview. The last one is the Dynamics 635 layout. What this application feature that you can use. This is the workspace plan that you can use to plan your floor or plan your space to put the product that we want to put there. Something like if you are in the like big factory, you have the new item coming and you want to see how this fit in into the workspace, the floor plan, and you want to see it holographic first, and then after you get the right design of it, that you can uh, buy the things, buy the machinery, and put it where you plan as it is in the holographic floor. So you can put the custom hologram of the machinery inside, and you can share and collaborate with others to make it more efficient, to talk with your colleagues, how about this plan, how about this floor plan, something like that. So this is some example of how layout we use. So directly this man is planning their floor site uh, at his office with the holographic devices that already input into the layout application. So he can bring it, he can say it to others, and he can send it to his HoloLens to be used by him on the field. So he can see his plan earlier in his office, how the floor plan looks like. So as you can see here that uh, he had put some devices too far from the floor plan, and he changed the position so nobody get trouble with it, and you can move around, rotate something like that, and you can save it and you share it with others again to ask for recommendation and also for other insights how he done the floor plan, something like that. So as we can see here that he can export the files and share it with others, so they can use the floor plan to really build it on the real site. This is just the general overview of this top level application technology that can be used directly on your industries. So the next one, I want to talk a little bit about the mixed reality for developer. What we can you do for you build your own experience application in mixed reality. So this is I want to share the some libraries and also tools that you can use for you to build your own mixed reality application, if you want to customize it and you look that the current application on the store doesn't fulfill your requirement and you want to customize your experience, and you can build it also. I will not so deep down explaining all of this. I just want to give you some overview of it, and there's a engine tools that you can use. You can use Unity and Unreal Engine to build the mixed reality application, and also there's some platform in the middle. There's some uh, a platform out there that you can use. And on the left side for me, on the right side, that there's the MRTK Mixed Reality Toolkit, OpenXR, Foforia, AirCore, AirKit, 60AI, that tools, a library that can be used to help you as a toolkit to build your mixed reality application better and faster. So this is the short session for me in this community event, and I hope you get it, the overview and how mixed reality can change your industrial. And you can, if you have other questions, you can ask me from my social platform or on LinkedIn, Twitter, or you can join on the meetup.com to join our daily event, monthly event, I mean, or others event that might you interested. So that's all that I can share for today short session, and I hope uh, this is useful for you guys. And thank you very much for joining the session, and I hope to see you guys and see you later. Thank you.